Congratulations! You're thinking of a new career as a qualified CFA. The next CFA Level 1 exam is less than a year away, so we at Morgan International have created an easy step-by-step program to help you pass. First, download our ebook. It's full of advice from CFA charter holders on how to make a success of your chosen career. And then book a free consultation with one of our expert advisors to make up your mind before getting down to studying. Next, we introduce you to the main exam topic areas through sample multiple choice questions and answers. With that knowledge, you're ready to test drive the program with a free lecture and a 5-day trial of the core study tools. Excited by the prospect of becoming a CFA, it's time to enroll. Choose how you want to study over the next 5 months: live classes, online, or a mix of both. Create your own study plan and test yourself with daily questions to check your progress. And a month before your exam, it's review time. You'll take a mock exam and get lots of insider tips so you can pass the Level 1 CFA first time. Best of luck on June the 7th.